day I joined, we have been thinking of that how we can make a difference for the students of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and this region also. After a series of meetings with my staff members at SCERT, we came up with an idea that why shouldn't we have a Toycathon. Toycathon originally launched by Honorable Prime Minister of our country in 2021, 5th of January 2021, and is one of those hackathons which gives a chance to all the students or the young entrepreneurs or the young community to come up with ideas to help grow this industry. I'll put in a word for toy industry, where what happens is around about, as far as India is concerned, we have been doing a business of $1.5 billion. And by 2028, we intend to reach the figure of $3 billion US. And for that, we need young minds around. Again, another word, why toy industry? Last financial year, the whole economic impression on the US of toy industry was around about $100 billion US, with a generation of employment for more than 5,55,000 people. So you can well imagine how big this industry is. And as our Honorable Prime Minister has regularly been talking about and is very sharp in these regards to look at what new economic avenues could be opened up for our young minds or young entrepreneurs or students. And that's why he started the Toycathon. And taking a cue from that, the UT of Jammu and Kashmir has also plunged into it. SCERT at its own level has opened up this competition for all the 22,000 odd schools of Jammu Kashmir region. In fact, we are inviting applications from the UT of Ladakh also. If they want to participate, they are more than welcome to participate in this. We want participation for all the schools, be it they are government schools, be whether they are private schools or private schools affiliated with other boards of the country. They are also welcome to come on board and participate in this competition. This competition primarily is going to be held at 3 levels. The first level obviously will be the school level, where schools are going to send their nominations to us after holding a proper competition, and these will be then selected, and a new competition would be held at the district level, where our diets are going to organize that. And the third level would be the UT level, where we are going to have a whole Union Territory level competition, where the best ideas are going to be selected and rewarded accordingly. We are in talks with various governmental and non-governmental and corporate houses to sponsor certain prizes for our students, to provide them certain support to grow vis-a-vis this Toycathon is concerned. And as far as we are concerned, the finalists would also be we would be trying to work out with certain strategies of hand-holding them. Toycathon obviously is going to give a unique opportunity to the students of UT, and this competition is going to be at 3 levels, from 6th to 8th and 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th. So these 3 would be the divisions amongst which the competitions would be held. Look forward to all the schools coming forward and participating in this competition, encouraging their students to come forward and participate in these competitions, and try to bring laurels to their own schools, laurels to their own districts, to the Union Territory, by participating in these competitions and by coming out with very good ideas. The stakeholders, especially the people who are in charge at the helm of affairs in the schools, that's principals or their managing directors or the owners, and to the zonal heads or our diet principals, to all these stakeholders, my message is that this is a unique opportunity, and we are living a dream, we are trying to build a dream, and we want proper things to be undertaken within the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir vis-a-vis innovation, incubation and startups is concerned, and Toycathon is one of those steps. So I would want all of you to come forward and motivate young minds to participate in this.